In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using a TI-84 plus scientific calculator. So the question says simplify minus in bracket 6x to the power 4 y to the power 3 bracket close square. Alright, so guys, this question is very simple. When you apply the right law of indices to this question, you are going to arrive at this value minus 36 x to the power 8 y to the power 6 as the answer, which is option C. Alright, but you can also verify your answer with a calculator for those of you that might not really know how to apply the law of indices to this kind of question and get the right answer. So you can always make use of the calculator method, and that's the essence of this video. So let's go ahead and solve it now. We have x and y variables. We're going to store values for them. So let's begin by resetting the calculator as usual. So to reset the calculator, press second and this plus button. Alright, go for option 7. Press 1 to reset R1, then press 2 and it will do this for you. Alright, so it's done. Press this clear button. Now, so guys, let's store the value of x as 2 and also the value of y as 2. Very important. I highly recommend this value or number for each variable. So let's store 2 for x. Put the value 2, press the store button. This is the x button. Then press enter and 2 will get stored as indicated here. Let's store the value of y as 2 as well. So press 2. Now to bring out the y alphabet, firstly press the store button, then alpha and this button y will come out, then enter. Y has been set as well. So we are good to go. Let's now use it to simplify this expression we have here. Alright, this is an algebraic expression. Alright, so we have it starting with negative sign. Very important as well. Pay attention, make use of this negative sign here. I've said this before in my previous video. Don't make use of this one. If you use this one, you end up having syntax error. So we have minus. Whenever your question starts with negative value, always make use of this one. Okay, so we have minus in bracket 6x to the power. Make use of the power function. Power 4 will come down. Very important. Then we have y alpha this and y will come out to the power 3. Also important, you come down, then close the bracket. We have square. So that's it, what we have here, guys. Let's press enter now to see the output. So we have it to be minus 589,824. So let's check option C and verify whether it's going to give us this value we just got. Alright, so it starts with negative value minus 36. Okay, x to the power 8, come down, then we have y after this to the power 6. So that's it, guys. Let's press enter. Exactly minus 589,824. So the correct option is option C. This is basically how you can do this, guys, with the TI-84 plus scientific calculator, easy and fast. Alright, though we have solved a similar question before in my previous video, but it's part of mastering it as we met similar question again we just solved now. Alright, so that's it for this video. Let's go to the video, guys. Hope there's something interesting. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to my channel for more of my videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Let me know if you for what I've learned. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding this topic or this issue I have explained, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Don't forget to reset the calculator once you are done. Press the second button, then this plus button, option 7, 1 and 2, and it will reset it for you. Alright, so now click on end screen above and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.